I just want to do a quick video on a tip that will help you do more pull-ups. And the tip is this: make your pull-ups a linear movement instead of a circular movement. And you can do this by simply driving your elbows to your hips as possible. When most people do pull-ups, what they do, they try to curl their body above the bar. And by doing that, they're using an arc, which is a circular movement. But if they just drive their elbows down instead of focusing on curling, they're shortening the movement. Now you can try that on your own by lifting your arms up and driving your elbows down, as opposed to trying to curl your body to the bar. And you'll see that you're doing a circular movement, which lengthens the movement, which means you'll have to expend more energy. This works whether you do it with your palms facing away from you or palms facing towards you. So the tip is, make the pull-up a linear movement. That's it for this tip. Thanks for watching.